Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Shipway to Wisconsin. 11:23 p.m. A line of strong thunderstorms located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles northwest of Sheboygan to 12 nautical miles west of Milwaukee to 32 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, inland observations. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Strong thunderstorms will be near North Point Lighthouse around 11:45 p.m. Sheboygan around 11:50 p.m. Winthrop Harbor around 12:15 a.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds.